hawak ng kalamangan. Aberyon. Fires for 2. No good. Rebound by Kalingan. Kalingan, pass to Manaloto. Manaloto, behind the pass. Makakukuha ni Tolentino. Pass to Gutierrez. Gutierrez sa atake. At makakalusot para sa easy 2 points. Lasa for 2. No good. Rebound by Manalo. Tolentino. Pass to Aberyon. Aberyon. To Tolentino. No good. Carpio. Pass to Angeles. Masyadong malakas. At mapapa-timeout dito ang Ramblers at magbabalik sa San Pablo Basketball League.
Sa laro, wag mong isipin na palaging baguhan. Palagi mong isipin na kailangang galingan. Ipakita mo ang iyong kakayahan. Sa larangan ng liga, dapat malakas ang katawan. Dahil sa larong ito.
And now we are back to our ball game. Breeze fires for 3. No good. Makakuha ni Plaza. Plaza pass to number 2. Traveling. Violation. Para kay Losada. Okay lang. Hindi naman ganun kainit. Si Boy. Gutierrez dribbling the ball. Pass to Aberyon. Fires for 2. No good. Rebound by Losada. Out of bounds. At mapupunta pa rin sa kanilang bola. Ramblers ball. Aberyon. Pass to Breeze. Fires for 3. No good. At makakuha ulit ni Breeze ang bola. To Gutierrez. Gutierrez to Aberyon. Layup. No good. Manalo for the rebound for the easy 2 points. Para kay Manalo. Angeles. Easy 2 points. Tolentino for the inbound. Pass to Gutierrez. Gutierrez. Pass to Breeze. Fires for 3. No good. Makukuha niyo ulit. Tres ulit. No good. Rebound by Reyes. To Tolentino. No good. Rebound by Angeles. Carpio may hawak, nagigit-git at makukuha ni Tolentino ay ni Gutierrez. Gutierrez for 2. Easy 2 points. Number 18, Breeze still. (22-33) ang ating score. In favor pa rin po sa Ramblers. 3 minutes and 32 seconds ang ating time remaining. Tolentino for the inbound. Pass to Gutierrez. Fires for 2. No good. Rebound by Aberion. Masusupalpal. Carpio. May istilan. Pero mapupunta pa rin sa Red Dragons ang bola. Manaloto, no. Breeze. Breeze for 2. No good. Rebound by Carpio. Carpio, fouled by number 11, Tolentino. Plaza, may hawak ng bola. Pass to Angles. Angles dinodouble, ma-i-steal ni Aberion. Aberion, easy layup, no good. Gutierrez, easy 2 points para kay Gutierrez. Long pass. Angeles may hawak. Dino-double team. Plaza, pass to Kalingan. Tolentino for the inbound. Breeze fires for 3. No. Makakuha ni Reyes. Pass to Aberion. Babalik kay Breeze. Pass to Gutierrez. To Aberion. Reyes. Cramblers, mauubusan dito ng shot clock. Matatapik. Pero mapupunta kay Galingan. Matatapik ulit. Aberion. Pass to Gutierrez. Pass to Breeze. Layup. No good. Carpio may hawak. Pass to Manaloto. Manaloto to Plaza. Plaza. Pass to Kapalad. Easy 2 points para kay Kapalad. Gutierrez dribbling the ball. Pass to Aberion. To Tolentino. Tolentino. No good. Rebound by Kapalad. At Kapalad, fouled by number 6. Manaloto atake. Gutierrez dribbling the ball. Gutierrez atake, no good. Mari-rebound ni Reyes. And Reyes again. Pass to Breeze. Breeze for 3. No good. Aberion for 2. Easy 2 points para kay Aberion. Manaloto. May hawak ng bola. Manaloto atake. Basket para kay Manaloto. 35 seconds para sa ating third. Tolentino for the inbound. Reyes, di makukuha. (26-37) ang ating score in favor of Batang Ramblers. Carpio for the inbound. Pass to Manaloto. Manaloto sisingit. Manaloto fouled by number 4. Gutierrez. 22 seconds time remaining para sa ating third. Manaloto in the free throw line. First throw para kay Manaloto. No good. Second free throw. No good again. At makuha ni Aberyon. Mapupunta kay Martinez. Martinez ang atake. No good. 6 seconds para sa ating third quarter. Gutierrez fires for 3. No good. At dito nagtatapos ang ating third quarter of the game. 26-37 in favor of Coramblers.
Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga.
And now we are back to our fourth and last quarter of this game. Coramblers versus Red Dragons. Martinez may hawak ng bola. Tumira, no good. Rebound by Orquiza. Martinez for 2. No good again. Orquiza. Wala. Siya ulit. At Orquiza fouled by number 18. And Orquiza ang tatayo sa ating free throw line para sa kanyang 2 shots. First throw. No good. Second free throw. No good again. Basket. Hindi, tumalbog kasi. Hindi ko nakita. Nakasisilaw kasi ako. Manaloto may bit-bit ng bola. Tinatrap sa gilid. At Manaloto fouled by number 10, Martinez. Manaloto, aatake. Wala, pero makakukuha ulit. Orquiza nakikipagagawan sa number 18. Kapalad for the inbound. Pass to Manaloto. Manaloto for 2. No good. Kapalad. Pass to Angeles. Lebrodo. Fouled by number 18. Kapalad again. Lebrodo for the inbound. Pass to Gutierrez. Gutierrez may istilan ng number 4. Kapalad, pass to Manaloto. Carpio to Lat. Lat, atake. No good. Rebound by Orquiza. Pass to Gutierrez. Gutierrez. Atake, Gutierrez. 2 points para kay Gutierrez. Manaloto dribbling the ball. Binabantayan ni Tolentino. Pass to Tan. To Carpio. Manaloto ulit. Pass to Tan. Tan for 2. Strong. To Kapalad. Wala. At maubusan ng oras dito ang kupunan ng Red Dragons. Librado for the inbound. Pass to Martinez. To Tolentino. Tolentino for 2. No good. Rebound by Orquiza. Wala ulit. Rebound by Lat. Manaloto dribbling the ball. Manaloto atake. Orquiza secure the ball. Martinez. Pass to Gutierrez. Gutierrez to Tolentino. Gutierrez traveling violation. Plaza. Pass to Carpio. Carpio may hawak ng bola. Carpio fouled by number 10, Martinez. Carpio for the inbound. Kalingan for 3, no good. Out of bounds. 28-40 in favor of Coramblers. 7 minutes para sa ating time remaining. Lebrodo, may steal ni Tan. Same ball pa din. Tan for the inbound. Plaza followed by number 4, Gutierrez. Plaza on the free throw line para sa kanyang first throw. No good. For the second free throw, basket. Javier dribbling the ball. Javier nabitawan pero mapupunta kay Gutierrez. At may steal ng Red Dragons. Plaza for 2. Plaza fouled by number 7, Javier. At mukhang mapapa-timeout dito ang kupunan ng Coramblers. At magbabalik ang San Pablo Basketball League.
Sa laro, wag mong isipin na palaging baguhan. Palagi mong isipin na kailangang galingan. Ipakita mo ang iyong kakayahan. Sa larangan ng liga, dapat malakas ang katawan. Dahil sa larong ito ay bawal ang mali.
And now we're back to our ball game. Plaza on the free throw line. First free throw, basket. Second free throw, basket again. Carpio. Nice pick, no good. Follow up by Lat. No good again. Gutierrez may hawak ng bola. Gutierrez fouled by number 27, Plaza. At good afternoon po sa lahat ng ating mga live viewers. dito sa ating San Pablo Basketball League. And we would like to thank yung chairman ng Barangay San Francisco, Chairman Dan De Medina, and especially sa Elder Mature Basketball Association. Maraming salamat po. And gusto namin pasalamatan ng mga special partnership with Wilson Basketball Philippines, sponsored by Cafe Amarillo, Lucas Barbers, Dutch Delight, Blue Steels, City Councilor Hon Carmela Acevedo with Acevedo Optical, JEJ Autocare Services, Simag Construction, Tina's Takoyaki, Prestige Car Salon, and this Velvet D-League San Pablo League is powered by Velvet Media Incorporated by Mr. JJ Maghirang. And now we are back to our ball game. Lebrodov fouled by number 4 Lat. At penalty na dito ang Red Dragons. Lebrodov for the free throw line. First throw, no good. Time remaining para sa ating fourth quarter, 5 minutes and 45 seconds. Lebrodov for his second free throw. No good. Rebound by Reyes. Pero mabibitawan. Mapupunta kay Gutierrez. Pass over yon. Lat ang may hawak. Side step. 2 points para kay Lat. Lebrodov pass to Gutierrez. Gutierrez iniipinitan. Pero diretso si Lebrodov. Si Gutierrez. Gutierrez for 2 points. Plaza, may hawak ng bola. Plaza for 2, no good. Rebound by Reyes. Pass to Aberion. Aberion, pass to Lebrodov. Maiipit. Lebrodov fouled by number 12, Kalingan. At siya ulit ang pipwesto sa ating free throw line para sa kanya 2 shots. First free throw. No good. Second free throw. No good again. Rebound by Kalingan. Pass to Lat. Lat pass to Plaza. Plaza mabubutata dito ni Reyes. Carpio. Pass. Pero matatapik palabas ng kupunan ng Coramblers. Kalingan for the inbound. Pass to Plaza. Ma-steal ni Gutierrez. Nagmamadaling binababa. Para sa easy layup. Gutierrez, easy 2 points. Plaza dribbling the ball. Plaza for 2. Basket. Easy 2 points para kay Plaza. 35-44 ang ating score. Aberion. Pass to Brice. No good. Rebound by Reyes. Pass to Aberion. No good again. Carpio magsisecure ng rebound. Pero mapa-foul dito ng number 6 ng Coramblers. Three minutes and 58 seconds ang ating oras para sa ating fourth and last quarter. Carpio for the free throw line para sa first throw. No good. Second free throw para kay Carpio. Basket. Javier for the inbound. Pass to Reyes. Reyes to Javier. Pass to Aberion. Aberion naghahanap ng mapapasahan. Pinasa kay Gutierrez. Gutierrez for 2. Basket count para kay Gutierrez. Second free throw, basket. Nahuli ni Javier. Javier for 2, no good. Javier again. Fade away, Javier, no good. Aberion for the rebound. Pero makakukuha ni Carpio. Carpio fouled by number 15, Aberion. 36-46. 10 ang kalamangan dito ng kupunan ng Ramblers. First free throw para kay Carpio, no good. Second free throw. No good again. Makakukuha ni lahat. Pass to Carpio. Pass to Tan. Easy 2 points para kay Tan. Gutierrez, nagmamadali minababa ang bola. Pass to Javier. Javier to Aberion. Ibibigay kay Gutierrez. Gutierrez for 2. No good. Makakuha ni Manaloto ang bola. Manaloto. Tutan. Back